Hello friends, this is Farooq Azam and you are watching Oxbridge, a complete place of English. We have the same topic today with my other friends also. And left of me, I have Aftab. Aftab. Okay, but this is other Aftab actually. So Aftab is standing left of me and he is going to play a role of an elder brother. He is going to play a role of an elder brother, and Mr. Muhammad Asgar, you will speak loudly.
Yeah.
So Muhammad Asgar is a student of Oxbridge and he is going to play a role of younger brother. So your brother Mr. Aftab,
Aftab.
he lives in Dubai. He was there, and 1 month before you had called him and said, my brother, when you come back from Dubai, you please bring a cell phone for me. No, change the cell phone. Laptop, huh? Better laptop. Bring a laptop for me.
Yeah.
And today he has come. Go and ask, has he brought or he has not brought. Speak with the sound that your sound, my mic easily catch. Okay, actions. Speak with the sound. Forget the camera is there. Nothing is there. They are only watching you or you are learning how to speak. Now talk.
Hi.
Hi.
Be close. Be close. I feel afraid, but come back. Hi, it's okay. Yeah, fine. Huh? Fine. Okay, speak with the sound.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, don't say. Your brother is senior. To the juniors, don't.
Hello,
Sorry,
hello,
one second.
brother.
1 second. See, hi and hello, there are two words. Hi should be spoken normally with your level or juniors actually. But when you talk the senior, then you should talk a hello.
Hello, brother.
Good
Hello.
morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sound?
Good morning.
Yes.
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
Wait, repeat
I
with
am
the
also
sound.
fine.
Wait. Repeat.
I am fine. And
I'm
you?
fine.
I am fine. And you?
I'm fine.
I am fine. And you?
अब फा ऐसा निकाल दे रहे हो आप फा- आप देखो क्या करो मुंह को फुदा खोल दे रहे हो भाई कट कर दूंगा डोंट वरी हाँ फाइन आई एम फाइन फाइन या
I am fine.
चलो ठीक है गुड नो प्रॉब्लम आई एम फाइन या
And you?
I am also fine.
आई एम ऑल्सो
I am also fine.
फाइन
Why did you come here?
स्पीक अगेन विद द
Why?
साउंड
Why did you come here?
मैं अपना फोन लेने आया हूँ हाँ लैपटॉप
Laptop.
I take,
मैं आया हूँ
I come.
आई हैव कम
I have come to take my laptop.
लैपटॉप साउंड
I had come. To
आई
take
हैव
my
कम टू
laptop.
टेक माई
Laptop.
आपको याद होगा
You.
आपको
have-
याद होगा
You might have.
You.
यू मे रिमेंबर
You may remember.
यू मे रिमेंबर
You may remember.
साउंड
You may remember.
मोर साउंड
You may remember.
यस मैंने आपको बोला था
I had speak.
आई हैड
I had
टोल्ड
told.
यू
Yeah, you are right. You had told me to bring your laptop, but unfortunately, I did not bring your laptop.
Why?
आप नहीं लाए
You
डिडेंट
you didn't
ब्रिंग
bring.
क्यों
Why?
क्यों नहीं लाए
Why didn't you bring?
वेरी गुड साउंड
Why didn't you bring?
व्हाई डिड यू नॉट और व्हाई डिडंट यू
Bring.
ब्रिंग
Actually, I had some problem. I had so many things to bring from there. So, due to that, I did not bring. I did not bring from there. I thought.
I thought
I thought. I will give you some money for laptop. You can buy yourself.
good
It's okay.
साउंड
It's okay.
अगर ऐसी बात है तो मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है
If
इट इज सो
it is so,
रिपीट विद द साउंड
if it is so,
मुझे
I had-
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है I have
no problem.
लेकिन
But
मैं वही लैपटॉप लूंगा जो मुझे पसंद है. I will take the laptop
I will take the laptop
which I
which I
like.
like.
It's it's no any problem.
It's not a problem.
It's not a problem.
It's not a.
It's not a problem.
मैं भी चाहता हूँ तुम अपने पसंद का
I
लो.
also want you will buy
You buy
you buy
of
laptop
your
of your choice.
choice. Repeat.
You will you,
I
you
also
buy,
from
I
a
also want you buy laptop you buy laptop of your choice.
very good with the sound. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
तो हम लोग आज बाजार चल रहे हैं अभी की शाम में. हम लोग अभी बाजार चल रहे हैं.
We are
Sound. हाँ.
going to
Market.
market
Now. Repeat with the sound.
We are going to market now
Yeah.
or
In the evening.
in the evening.
No, I'm sorry. Now I cannot go to market because I am so tired. I had traveled so many long.
I have traveled
Traveled
the long
the
distance.
long distance. Due to that, I cannot go with you now. Now.
लेकिन
But in evening I can go with you. I will buy you your choice laptop.
I'll buy you a laptop of your choice.
I will buy you a laptop
Of your choice.
Okay.
Sound.
Okay. No
Thank
problem.
you very much.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
No problem.
तो मैं कितने बजे आपसे मिल लूं? Then कितने बजे?
I
Sound.
meet.
You said I have sound, but your sound is slow sound. मैं कितने बजे आपसे मिल लूं? At what
At
time?
what time I meet you?
May I meet you?
May I meet you
In the evening.
in the evening?
I will meet to you.
You meet me.
You meet me at 6 o'clock.
It's okay.
It's okay.
But
But
उस वक्त आप मुझे मना नहीं कीजिएगा. You will not tell me
He will not tell me
no
no
that time.
that time.
हम लोग आज कंफर्म जाएंगे. We must
We
go
must go
today.
today.
Yeah, I promise to you. I will not.
Don't say to I promise you. No need of preposition. I promise
I
you.
promise you. I did not.
I will not say.
I will not. I will not.
हाँ मैं नहीं कहूँगा ना.
I will not say no.
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 I'll
I
not
will
say you.
Say no.
I'll not say you. No.
I will not say you no.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
बट मेरे पास एक आइडिया है. अगर आप कहे तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ.
But I have.
ये आइडिया मुझे लाना
idea.
पड़ा है थोड़ा और बात कराने के लिए. हाँ.
But I have an idea.
Repeat.
But I have an idea.
अगर आप कहें
If you
say
say,
मैं आपको बताता हूँ.
I tell you.
Yeah, you can tell me what do you have an
What
idea?
idea?
What idea do you have?
You're very good. That sound must come there. हाँ आइडिया. अगर आप चाहते हैं आराम करना तो रसाम में भी आराम कीजिए. पैसा दे दीजिए भाभी के साथ हम चले जाते हैं. पॉसिबल है ना? Any problem you have? If he tells sister-in-law and he goes with sister-in-law, do you have any problem? हाँ अब मेरे पास आइडिया ये है. I have an idea. आप पैसा दे दीजिए.
You give me money.
Sound is very boring.
You give me money.
More sound.
You give me money.
And
And
मैं भाभी के साथ चला जाता हूँ लैपटॉप खरीदने के लिए. I go
with
my
my
sister-in-law
sister-in-law
to buy a laptop.
to buy a laptop.
Repeat the sentence.
I go
With sister-in-law
with sister-in-law
to buy a
laptop.
आइडिया तो बुरा नहीं है.
This is not bad idea.
आइडिया इज नॉट बैड.
Idea is not bad.
अगर भाभी जाती है तो जाओ मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
If
Sister-in-law goes, तुम जाओ.
You may go.
मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
I don't have any problem.
इट्स ओके.
It's okay.
तो मैंने पूछा था वो बोली हाँ चलेंगे आपके साथ. मैंने पूछा था.
I asked you.
मैंने पूछा था.
Had asked you.
I had asked.
I had asked.
वह बोली.
He
She said.
she said
मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
I have
I have
no problem.
no problem. वो जाने के लिए तैयार है.
She
Is ready.
is ready to
Sound.
go. She is ready to go.
More
She
sound.
is ready to go.
With me. It's okay.
It's okay.
तो
Then-
मैं अपना एटीएम कार्ड उसे दे देता हूँ. I give you
I give you
her.
I give her my ATM card
And
and
वो पैसा पेमेंट कर देगी वहां से.
she will
Make payment.
she will make.
It's okay.
No problem.
No problem.
Fine, no problem. जाओ भाभी से पूछ लो कब जा रही है तुम्हारे साथ.
Let's go and
नहीं
ask.
नहीं लेट्स गो आप नहीं जाओगे आराम करो. आप जाओ और भाभी से पूछो. लेट्स गो मतलब आप भी चले गए. लेट्स
Go
गो
and
मतलब
ask.
सब लोग चलते हैं. हाँ.
Go and ask
Your sister-in-law.
your sister-in-law when will she go?
When she will go.
When she will go.
वह कब जाएगी ये सवाल नहीं है आप बता रहे हैं. Go and
she will
ask
go.
when she will
Go.
go. I taught you the same today. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye brother.
Bye bye, brother.
Bye.
Can you all clap for them? Okay, my dear audience who are watching this video on the YouTube, the message is for you. If you are watching the video first time, don't forget to subscribe and share with the friends. Keep listening such videos. Trust me, you are also going to learn how to speak, but this will give you the practice of rest all you have to do outside of the class like this other than the videos like talking to your brother, sister, friends and learning how your Hindi can be translated into English. So all that you have to do. If you are doing, trust me, you are also going to learn how to speak. That's okay. Thank you and bye-bye.